everyone, my name is Priyanka and I'm here with a new pick a card reading video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel Fortune Baba, and today's pick a card reading is about the December month. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late, and don't forget to like and comment on the video. So let's start the video.
On the screen, you can see 3 piles of cards. With the help of intuition, you have to choose one pile for yourself. That pile will tell you about the month of December. Now let's see what is in the first pile of cards. People who has chosen the first pile, they received 10 of swords. This card shows sadness. In this month, you will face some kind of emotional pain. Another tarot card is Queen of Cups reversed. Good time to get married. A feminine energy or a female is entering into your life who is smart but not to be trusted. Energy oracle card received by people who has chosen pile 1 is the temple path. Receiving this card represents your own spiritual evolution. This card upright is here to tell you that what you are going through in this month is all part of your soul's process. The lights around the temple represent the spirit world, your family members and friends, angels and guides, all the loving spirit helpers who long to assist you. This is a wonderful life expanding time. So keep in mind your personal priorities as well as your spiritual connection. Let's move towards the second pile. People who has chosen the second pile received 6 of swords reversed. This card says unfavorable issue of a lawsuit. If any of your issue is in the court, you may receive unfavorable news related to that. Positive things of this card is you may receive a love proposal. Second card of the second pile is the Fool. You may feel uneasy and stressed in this month. Do not take any permanent decision or do not make any promise to anyone because it may be turned out to be a stupid decision. People who has chosen the second pile received all tied up reversed as an energy oracle card. This card says that a previously stuck situation will open up and restrictions will clear out in this month. Get ready to free yourself. You have all of the power and clarity at this point. So untie the binds of the patterns that have stopped you from being authentic and empowered. Now let's move towards the last pile, the third pile. The first card you received is Ace of Cups reversed. This card says that whatever you will think in this month will not gonna happen as you are thinking. You will face instability in almost every aspect of your life, whether your career, love life or anything. Next card is Four of Swords reversed. Usually this card considered as bad, but you received it reversed, so a certain success may be expected by wise administration of affairs. Just be careful, look around, think properly, then take any decisions, especially in your career. You have received Blossoming Abundance reversed as your energy oracle card. This card reversed reveals a potential decrease in money, with the coins falling from the garden and out of sight. This card also says that be very conscious and responsible where money issues are concerned.
That's all for today's video, and don't forget to like the video and comment your suggestions for my upcoming videos or for my way of talking, for anything. Yeah, I welcome suggestions, and Next time I'll come up with my next pick a card reading, which will be about career in 2021. So keep watching Fortune Baba, keep smiling, keep meditating. Bye bye.